Hi, I'm Richard from PageFly. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use Search Form element to facilitate customer searches on your online store. Let's jump into how to use Shopify Search Form element in PageFly. Firstly, we need to access Search Form element. Alright, let's locate the Search Form element. Over on the left-hand side menu, click on Add Shopify element and find the Search Form element. Drag and drop the element into the page editor and then start using it. Next, it's Configure for Search Form element. Thousand Search Form element will include Search Form field and Search Form button. For Search Form field section, you can edit text in placeholder, for example. And for Search Form button, you can choose button type such as text only, text with icon, icon only, and customize whether you want to enable full width or not. In Styling tab, you can edit content color, choose horizontal alignment, custom spacing, typography, and background color like this example. Moreover is border, display, effect, and advanced. Now it's time to explore this element in general settings. Firstly, you will see content option. You choose search and product only or not here. In this example, I will choose yes, so that when customers search for keywords, it will result in product items. Below is the visibility, attribute, and animation for the search form element. In the style section, I will show you how to edit the appearance of a section. I will do a quick demo for you. First, I will adjust the font family, font size, and text style. Next, I will edit the border style by add some radius. By clicking to the search form field, you also can custom the border color like this. Also with the search form button, I will edit a little bit until it looks good. Now let's hit the Save and Publish button to check it in the live view. A well-implemented search form can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience by making it easy for them to find what they're looking for. This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues. Thank you for watching.